David Anderson here with the Bike Check. Here we've got the DK team frame. We have Odyssey Director forks with Stollen cell bars, Shadow Strike top load stem, Stollen Insider headset, Flatware thumbtack grips, Odyssey mono lever, Odyssey upper gyro cable, Odyssey Pro Detangler, Odyssey lower gyro cable, and Odyssey Evo 2 brake setup. And these are Stollen roulette rims with Primo spokes laced to Stollen roulette hubs with pink nipples, because that's very important. Dice valve cap, also very important. Demolition Momentum tires with Danscomp ultralight tubes. We have Stollen Team 2.5 cranks, Odyssey JCPC pedals. We have the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket, KMC chain, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, Odyssey G Sport hub guards, Shadow little one pegs, Shadow bolts on both wheels, and then Alfred Light seat post clamp, Demolition seat posts painted green, and United Beacon pivotal seat. And that's my bike.